A utility pole at Al Mubarak Street, Cipulir, South Jakarta was knocked down by high winds on Saturday evening. Indonesian Housing and Public Works Unit has seen dispatch to the area to cut the disconnected electrical wire. Meanwhile, no casualties were reported during the incident.
Pertama kali ya, karena emang usianya udah tua, terus kabel dan tadi itu angin lumayan kenceng.
Angin doang apa sama hujan bang tadi bang?
Angin sama hujan.
Gitu bang. Bang itu tiang listrik nimpa apa aja sih bang?
Kalau tiang listrik sih ya nimpa sih nggak nimpa ya, cuman cuman patah gini aja. Nimpa itu pagar yang bangunan. Gitu.
Ada korban jiwa gak bang?
Oh enggak ada. Cuman kerusakan cuman itu sama kabel jatuh.
Following the incident, the traffic was redirected to another route. Elsewhere in East Jakarta, strong winds has shattered the glass window of a clothing shop at Pemuda Street. The high winds also tore some parts of the wall. Despite causing heavy damages, there were no fatalities reported. Meanwhile, a minibus passing through Pondok Rangon Cipayung, East Jakarta, were crushed by a falling tree that was toppled by torrential rain. 4 passengers managed to save themselves, suffering from minor injuries, and were immediately taken to a hospital. The 7-meter-high tree has been removed by the East Jakarta Forestry Agency after the incident. The severe weather also tore down the ceiling of Lipo Mall Kemang Shopping Center in South Jakarta. Several shop windows at the ground floor were seen damaged. The incident incited panic among visitors, although no casualties were reported. C2 contributors reporting from Jakarta.